It's sailing. They're sailing left from here or to the right of the quarterback. Do you, do you have to use two hands? All right. All right. Try again. You're not center. Like the quarterback's gonna be right behind you. The position is called center, so being the middle. There we go. Hit. I was low and to the right. Patrick, follow through with it. Gotta follow through with it. So I'm gonna send this to Coach Andy. Let's go. Hit. That almost went down the stairs. Don't. You're putting too much pressure on yourself. Just get it back there. It's just an easy through the leg toss. It's not that hard. I mean, you don't have to put a lot on it. Hit. That was good. That was right. Now I know it made that sound because it hit the door, but that was actually good. It was right over the basket. Let's go. Let's get three more, and then I can fire this off to Coach Andy. Get. Good. That was perfect. That was perfect. I bet you can't drop it in the bucket. I bet you can't make it. Remember, always follow through. Now, don't be short when you're on your follow through on the snap. All right, let's go. Hit. Almost made it. Good job.